Let's start. Let's drag the letters. A. Apple. A. Good job. A. Well done.
Love your mom. Please subscribe my channel.
Let's build the puzzle. Smart. A is for apple.
Love your mom. Please subscribe my channel.
Let's write the letters. A. Smart. Good one. A. Let's drag the letters. B. Great! B. Well done. Let's build the puzzle. Great! B is for ball. Let's write the letters. B. Good job. Smart. B. Let's drag the letters. C. Nice. C. Well done. Let's build. Nice! C is for cat. Let's write C letters. C. Good job. Nice. C. Match the lowercase letter candies to the uppercase letter jars. A. B. C. Well done.
Drag. Nice.
Can you find this shape? Triangle. Good job. Can you find this shape? Triangle. Wow. Can you find this shape? Triangle. Nice. Can you find this shape? Triangle. Good one. Follow the lines and draw the shape. Try again. Triangle. Good job. Follow the lines and draw the shape. Triangle. Good job. Follow the lines and draw the shape. Triangle. Great. Good job. Triangle. Which glass has more juice? Nice! Which glass has less juice? Wow! Which glass has more juice? Good one. Which object is smaller? Wow! Which object is bigger? Wow! Which object is bigger? Good one. Which object? Great! Which object is long? Nice! Which object is short? Wow! Which object is long? Great! Which object is longer?